Hi, this is Jack, and right over there is the castle. Over to my left, and maybe to your right, is Space Mountain and the train station. Right over there, if you come forward a little bit, I don't know if you can see it, there's a parachute flyer guy who is getting pulled by a boat. Parasailer. And it's very nice today. It's very warm.
70 degrees here, 8:30 in the morning. There's Narcoossee's.
And there's a bunch of birds down there.
Side of our balcony.
I'm getting mad.
And there's our other little star of the trip, William. Huh?
That's a hotel.
I know. It's part of it. What ride are we on?
Please remain seated and keep your hands and arms inside the boat. All safe and secure.
This one broke light one over here. The boats are empty. Jackson. We stalled. An iceberg! Dead end! Here we go! Howdy.
William. Look at Daddy.
All right, we're on
Going on Splash Mountain?
Stephen
Yeah.
Eastern Florida.
What do you think?
Should you become separated,
We're actually here on the monorail.
on Main Street, USA for assistance. Guest relations at City Hall can also help you plan your day, make dining arrangements, or provide a special guided tour of the Magic
Our
Kingdom.
hotel. There's William. Hello.
I want to go on Peter Pan's flight.
Peter Pan's flight. How about the Haunted Mansion?
No, Peter Pan's
We'll do
flight.
both
We'll
of
do
them.
both.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are approaching our station at the entrance to...
There's the dinosaur.
that's going right past it, and I think that'd be really
There's a little boat out there. Oh, you know what? The parrot we saw sang that today. Jack, remember? The parrot
Yankee Doodle?
sang that at the Animal Kingdom.
Yay!
Our last planned boat parade for the trip.
How can I do it again?
No, I can't do it over here again.
Well, there's the beautiful castle. Film that.
I did.
See it?
I already got it. Did it change colors? Oh, wait, it changed colors.
Today.
Or was it this color before? I can't tell because it's black and white on the screen here.
It's blue. Royal
But
blue.
I don't know if it's been that color when I filmed it before.
It wasn't. It was pink.
Yeah, I've got pretty much everything. Contemporary. Over there.
Yeah, can you show the Wilderness Lodge?
And
zoo?
the Wilderness Lodge, oops, is way over there. That's where we're going to be next, I think.
Little tiny round one.
Big wreath.
Chimneys are all lit
Are
up.
you zooming on it, Mom?
Uh-huh.
Did you get a close up?
Backwards now.
There's the contemporary.
I know, I got that.
This is contemporary. I see it.
Well, guys.
Well,
Hi.
it's been a marvelous trip.
Yes, it has.
I'm tired from this trip.
Morning, hi. Nice to see you. We're on video, Dad. Good morning. And
How you doing?
The whole family. We hope you're having a great time here.
Well,
at Cranford.
we're leaving today after 9 days, so
What is
we're
this young fella's name?
Jack.
Jack? Nice to meet you, Jack. I'm the friendly doorman. Thank you very much.
All right.
Appreciate